Christ University as a BCom student, and this is my teammate.
This is Shivani, sir.
So,
Both of you, hello.
hello, sir.
Hello,
So, could
sir.
you tell a bit about yourself, your personal life?
Okay, actually, I am a jeweler married
Okay.
to Manchaleshwari Mahendra. I have a daughter, her name is Mrinalini Mahendra. I'm interested in a terrace gardening, and I'm also interested in gems.
Okay, sir, that's good. Yeah.
Then, how did the idea for your business come about, sir? Like, particularly, you want to keep this jewelry shop like that? How?
Actually, I born and brought up at Mysore, but I was not interested in studies. And after my SSLC, I came to Bangalore to learn about jewelry. From Bangalore, I went to Surat to learn about diamond cutting. From
Okay.
there, my career started.
Okay. Then, how did you come up with the name of your business?
Name of the business, yeah, in the year 1996, when I started, my mother, I lost my mother.
Okay.
So in her remembrance, I started in her name only. Yes.
Okay, sir. How many hours a day do you work in an average?
Uh, Actually, I am into a manufacturing sector.
Okay.
So whenever the work comes, like whenever the demand comes, I work, not particular time.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Then, does the location made your product more visible?
The thing is, my product is a handmade jewelry. So for that, so for that, what you say, that advertisement or a location is not required. My business happens through word of mouth.
Okay.
So like that it happens. So
Okay.
I don't display my product.
Okay, sir. Okay, fine.
Yeah, on the basis of the customer, would you say about your key success in your business?
Yes, the thing is, key success is my product, my designs, and the quality, and timely delivered.
Mhm.
The quality, when we maintain a quality, the customer will repeatedly come. So that
Okay.
we maintain. And also
And
the product, see, for every time the designs is changing, and designs is changing when we are making an handmade, right? So we take care, the product should be very durable, and it is feasible to wear. So we maintain that.
okay. And is there any different types of gold? Like in new market, we have three types of gold, like yellow gold and rose gold, and one other gold it is like platinum like that. Only you will sell only yellow gold like that, white gold. You have any
Uh,
particular on that?
See, Shivani, the thing is, the gold, the basic metal is same. The
Yeah,
texture is different.
yeah, yeah.
Like
Sure.
the gold is gold. The gold is yellow. And whatever texture you want, like a pink gold and green gold, the whatever color texture you want, we can give that. That is a external. The external,
Oh,
like how
yes.
you are applying a nail polish, like for your matching your dress,
Yeah, yeah,
like that even we can give a texture to the gold,
yeah,
but
yeah.
the basic metal is same. And the platinum is different metal. Platinum is different metal, and silver is a different metal. Gold is gold, but
Yeah,
whatever it color is.
Yeah. Okay. Then, what is your favorite aspect as a being an entrepreneur?
During my childhood, I was very curious to know about so how it looks, how that diamond. So from I think from seventh to eighth standard, one of my cousin visited my house. During that time used to show the diamond, so used to tell like in Surat we are cutting diamond like this, a diamond will looks like that. So from that time, from seventh standard, I was thinking about that only. I think that is the reason I didn't go for a college or something. My studies didn't go inside. I always thinking about even I should go to Surat, I should cut the diamond and I should see the diamond, how it looks, how it shines.
Yeah.
So in 1992, I did a diploma in Indian Diamond Institute at Surat. Okay,
Okay.
there I secured a gold medal in diamond cutting.
Okay.
So there I was using there I was using only handmade tools. Nowadays, a
Oh,
lot of machineries has come. The automation has come. Those days, it was only hand tool. In that only, I have cut a diamond, and in that I got a gold medal. So
oh,
from
nice.
there, the interest started. So with interest, and now it has become my professional also.
That's really very great, sir.
Okay, so
And then
uh,
you ask.
okay, describe a time when something didn't work out as you had planned. What did you do and what did you learn from it, sir?
Uh, Always our expectations are more. And see the jewelry, no, whatever the end consumers wears, one jewelry, that has to go through many departments um, melting the gold and making the wire and setting the stone, and after that polishing, and after that fixing the stone. Like that, if one jewelry has to manufacture, you require more than 6 to 7 families has to work, 7 people has to work, and the coordinating and getting work done, it is a challenging.
Okay,
So many times, yeah, many times what happens, and it all depends upon the customer requirement. Okay,
okay.
so that is also a challenge. I can give you one good example, like see how it. This is 10 years back, 10 or 15 years back, I think. A customer ordered one American diamond ring. Okay,
Okay.
and the tomorrow customers the engagement tomorrow evening. So today I delivered them in the night. I delivered them. So after seeing the ring, they said, "Okay, this is very beautiful, but instead of American diamond, I want a diamond. Will you do it?"
Okay.
So that was because that was the challenge for me, because tomorrow evening is the engagement. So what I did is I came back to workshop and I woke my worker and I sat along with him and finished diamond ring. I delivered next day morning. So that was the challenge. So
Okay.
we have to be ready customers, whatever customers demand. We have to be ready to always it is the challenging, because we don't know
Uh,
what type of customers we are.
Having,
Yeah.
yeah, sir.
Okay.
You had worked a lot, yeah, sir. Then what is your biggest fear and how do you manage fear?
My actually biggest fear in the sense, as you know, gold, diamond, it is a precious. We have three enemies like
Right.
robbers and enemies, and other one is I cannot say enemy, but it is departments like
Okay.
GST, income tax.
Yeah.
Sometimes, they create a problem, and robbers they steal, and we
Yeah.
have to be very careful, very careful. And other thing is a rate fluctuation. See,
Oh. Yeah.
we are artisans, artisans. If you give a silver also, we convert that into a jewelry. If you give a iron also, we convert that into a jewelry. If you give a wood also, we convert for the jewelry. But the demand is on gold. So for gold, what happens? The whatever. See now the COVID pandemic, because of a COVID, 2,000 rupees per gram the gold has been increased. So because our main work depends upon the raw material is a gold. So when the gold price hikes, no, the customers they don't buy, they
Yes.
don't make the jewelry. So
Yes.
that time it is like a fear. See, now the gold price is a skyrocket, so we are not getting the work. So that fear is always is there. If the gold price comes down, even the customer comes and they make work with us.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, okay. Okay, thank you, sir. Then, if you had the chance to start your career over again, what would you do differently, or would you like to do this business only?
See, actually, I love this business. It's my passion because
Okay.
each time, if because I have to learn a lot, even though I am in this business 30 years. Every day
Okay.
is a new learning.
Yes, sir.
So I am enjoying it. There is a no question of looking for a new business.
Okay, sir. Okay, then that's good, sir. Okay, Shivani, do you have any questions?
Uh, yeah, I have more questions actually.
Okay.
Like, what is the satisfying moment in your business, sir? Being an entrepreneur.
Obviously, profit. So when I do some good work, okay, if I get a good profit, I'll be happy. And the
Yes.
same time, if when customers gives a feedback, like
Yeah,
see, your jewelry is asking many people, your jewelry is very good. If they give some comments, that moment also we feel happy.
yeah.
And both the way, so money wise, profit wise, as well as the what you call that, if they price about our work,
Yeah.
I feel
Profit means I got one question actually. So,
uh,
like in your business, before Corona, COVID-19, so how much you was getting the profit, and after this COVID-19, now you're how much you're getting profit yearly or monthly?
now no question of work only, forget about the profit. So not getting work only from past 4 months. So there is a no question of profit. We don't work because since our work is non-essential. It is jewelry is not essential. It is a non-essential, right? If everything done later on, only the customer comes for a jewelry. So it is actually a difficult time.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
correct.
yeah.
Then, Then this is actually funny question. Actually, this is like if you as an entrepreneur, if you have a magic stick in your hand, what three things you want to change in the world?
Magic.
Stick.
The thing is, first of all, magic doesn't work in my business.
No, no, no.
Uh,
It,
uh,
if you have a magic stick, it means if you have magic stick.
okay. The thing is, I will convert all youngsters like you to come to my store and buy the jewelry. And I like to make a beautiful jewelry each one of you. So my demand will create. I want to be always like a busy making a jewelry.
That's so
That,
nice.
that's actually nice, actually, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then you want to tell anything else, ma?
Yeah, sir. Like, what do you do when you are not at work, or would you like? What do you like to do when you're not at work?
Uh, yeah, because I am into a lot of other things. Like I do craft, like a
Yeah.
coconut shell craft. I
Yeah.
have my library
Okay.
having 1,200 books. I like to read, and I have a meditation. I love to do a meditation. I have a terrace gardening. It is like I can say it is a R&D center, research and developing center. I want to be with plants. I grow plants. I have a more than 30 varieties of plants, and in
Okay.
that the maximum of fruit trees with
Okay.
yeah, fruit trees I have. I want to be in my terrace, and
Okay.
it has a lot of things like a workshop, library, and a terrace gardening. I love to do that.
Okay, that was so nice, sir. And the last question, what advice do you give to someone just starting out?
The thing is, see, actually, I have seen my experience. All of the young students, what they think, they actually only thinking for money and starting the business.
Yes, sir.
So first of all, you should what you call, you should see what is your passion and why
Okay.
you want the money. And when you find out that, so you have to work with that company for 1 or 2 years. Then you will get
Okay.
all the experience. Then only you can start your own business. Otherwise,
Yes,
what happens?
sir.
Yeah, what happens? The whatever the management studies you study at your college, and whatever the management happens outside the college in industry, the both are different.
Yes,
See,
sir.
different. The book study is different and the practical study is different. So, okay, the book study, what all you have studied, okay, that you have to work. And before working, you have to find out your passion. And you should ask yourself why you want to do this business.
Okay.
Obviously we require money. With earning money, you should also do your passion work, okay, like
Exactly.
that. So you have to
Exactly,
identify
sir.
that. Yeah, you have to identify that and identify who are doing that work. You work for 1 or 2 years, then so you will get a lot of ideas. You already studied in your college, that theoretical idea will be there, and the present market idea will be there. Keeping both the things, you can create your own empire.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, that
So
is my
we'll get,
advice.
so
Yeah,
we'll get to
actually,
know everything.
yeah, the actually really passion is very important for every workers. It's passion, like passion is a main thing actually. It's correct, sir. What you have spoke
And
is correct.
now I can add some more thing. See, the whatever work we do, it should we have to see that it should not affect the environment. Okay,
Yeah,
ecosystem, and it should not affect the health, and it should bring the happiness, more
Yes,
happiness. So that kind of work, if you all select, and also you should be passionate about that, and also you should work on that. Then if you start the entrepreneur, you can do it better way.
yeah.
yes, sir.
Passion should be
Really good
there
point.
actually.
Yes, sir. Really good point, sir. So that's all for today, sir. Thank you so much for sharing these informations to us. Thank you so much, sir. It's
Thank you
actually
so
a
much, sir.
wonderful interview.
Thank you, thank you, thank you,
Thank,
and all the best for your
Thank you,
future.
sir.
Thank you. Bye.
thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Thank